Okay, so this is 5 by 5 matrix, which is saying that there are machines. These are the machines M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5. These are the 5 machines, and there are 5 jobs: job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4 and job 5. So we have to see that which job should be assigned with which machine, so that overall production will be fast. So they have given the working hours. If they are assigning job 1 to machine 1, then it will take 11 hours. If the same job, if they assign to machine 2, then it is taking 9 hours. If it is to machine 3, 13 hours. Machine 4, 21 hours. Machine 5, 14 hours. So like this, these numbers are given. So I'll write down these numbers. Okay, then this is 7, 12, 6, 15. This is 13, sorry, not 13 again. This is 16, 15, 12, 16. This is 24, 17, 28, 26. This is 10, 12, 11, 15. Okay. So we have done with this. Now we have to solve it, right? So our step 1 is, what we have to do, from first row find out the minimum element and subtract that element from the first row element. So minimum element is 8. So 11 minus 8, 3. 17 minus 8, 9. 8 minus 8, 0. 16 minus 8, 8. 20 minus 8, 12. Now second row, minimum element is 6. So 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 6, 1. 12 minus 6, 6. 0. 15 minus 6, 9. Then third row, the minimum element is 12. So 13 minus 12, 1. 16 minus 12, 4. 15 minus 12, 3. 0, 4. The next row is fourth row. The minimum element is 17. So 21 minus 17, 24 minus 17, 17 minus 17, 28 minus 17, 11, right? And 26 minus 17, 9. Then next is, the minimum element is 10. So 4, 0, 2, 1, 5. Right? So we have done with the row reduction. Now our next step is column reduction. So going for column reduction, step 2, column reduction. So column reduction we'll do on this previous matrix which we reduced, which we got it after row reduction. So for first column, the minimum element is 1. So subtract it from other elements. So 2, 2, 0, 3, 3. Then minimum element is here 0. So as it is, we'll write down the elements: 9, 1, 4, 7, 0. Now third column, the minimum element is here 0 only. So as it is, we'll write it 0, 6, 3, 0, 2. Then fourth column. In fourth column also, minimum element is 0. So we'll write it as usual: 8, 0, 0, 11, 1. Then next, the minimum element for the fifth column is 4. So we'll subtract 4 from each element of last column. So this is 8, this is 5, this is 0, this is 5, this is 1. Right? So we have done with the column reduction. Now next step is what? Step 3 is allocations. Okay, so we have just written. Now allocation. Allocation, it says that scan row wise. So start from the first row, right? So we'll write in the first row. If there is a single row in the first row, allocate that single 0. So we are allocating, and if you are doing row wise scanning, cancel the column. So we are cancelling the column, right? Now we'll go for the second row. The second row, there is a single 0. So allocate that single 0 and go for the cancel the column. So we are cancelling this column. Now next, go for the third row. So in third row, there are two zeros, 1 and 2. So we cannot take a decision, so leave it. Then the fourth row, there is no 0. This 0 was there, but it got cancelled, crossed. So there is no 0, so we cannot do any allocation. Go for the next row. Now there is a single 0, so allocate that 0 and cancel that column. So we are cancelling this column, right? So now we have finished with all the rows. Now go for the column. Now check first column. In the first column, there is a single 0. So we'll allocate that 0, right? And as it is a column wise scanning, and if we are allocating any 0, cross the, cancel the row. So we'll cancel this row, right? Now go for the next column. Next column is already crossed. Go for the next column. It is already crossed or cancelled. Go for the next column. It is already cancelled. Then go for the next column. There is no 0. What we have done? We have done the column wise also. We have done, once again we can just cross check. Row wise, is it possible? No. Column wise it is possible? No. So now we cannot do any allocation. So we'll find out how many allocations over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And what is the order of matrix? It's a 5 rows, 5 columns. So order of matrix is 5, right? It's a 5 by 5 matrix. So order of matrix is 5. That means what? Number of allocations is not equal to order of matrix, right? So it's not equal to order of matrix. We have to go for the step 4. So we'll go for the step 4 now. What we need to do? From this matrix, we have to find out the least uncrossed element. So identify least uncrossed element. See, these are uncrossed, this is uncrossed, this is uncrossed, this is uncrossed. Then this is uncrossed, this is uncrossed, this and this. So from this, one is the least element, right? Now the second step, whatever the identified element is there, this we have to add into a double cross element. So which are the double cross element? This 4, this 3 and this 0, right? So we'll add 1 to all these elements. So this will become a 5, this will become a 4, this will become a 1. Now what is the step 3, 4.3? What you have to subtract this least element from the uncrossed element. So which are uncrossed element? These are all uncrossed elements. So subtract this one from uncrossed element. So we'll get over here 1, here 1, here 2, here 2, then here it is 7, here it is 4, here it is 4 and here it is 0, right? And we have to retain the single cross elements as they are. So all the single cross element, this is single cross, this is single cross, this is single cross, this is single cross, this is, right? So we'll write it as it is. So 9, 0, 8, 1, 6, 0, and then here this 0, this 0, and then single crosses, this 7, 0, 11, and this is 0, 2, 1. Right? So we have done the step 4 modified. We have modified our reduced matrix, and now we have to go for repeat the next step once again. So we have to do row wise scanning. So again we have to go for the allocations, right? So allocations we have to do once again on this. So we'll do on this only. So let us say row wise scanning will do. So when we'll do a row wise scanning, first row there is a single zero, allocate it and cancel this column. Now go for the second row, there is a single zero, allocate it and cancel this column. Then go for the third row, there are two zeros, leave as it is. Fourth row, there is no zero, leave as it is. Fifth row, there is two zeros, so you cannot do anything. Now go for the column wise. So now column wise scanning, first column, there is a single zero, allocate it, cancel that row. Now go for the second column, there is a single zero, allocate it, cancel that row. Cancel that row. Then go for the third column. Third column is already cancelled, fourth column is already cancelled. Go for the fifth column. In the fifth column, there is no zero, right? So as there is no zero, check once again from the column wise, row wise. So whether in the row wise it is possible. So there is no zeros, here also no zero, here also no zero, here also no zero. Column wise also it is not possible. That means what? Again we have to do this step number 4, that is modified distribution method. That means what? From this uncrossed elements we have to find out the minimum element. So what is the minimum element in the uncrossed elements? 1. And we have to again add into a double cross, subtract from the uncrossed, and then retain the single cross element. So once again we have to do that, and we have to once again we have to write it. See, twice it happens where we got the number of allocations which is not equal to the order of matrix. So here also happens the same thing, right? So what we'll do now, again we'll find out all uncrossed elements. So this 7, 4, 4, all this 2, all are uncrossed elements. Which one is minimum? Minimum is 1. So what we'll do? Now this 1 will subtract from this uncrossed element. So 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 1, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. Right? Wherever uncrossed elements are there, here and here. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 1, 6. So we have done with all uncrossed elements, we have to subtract 1 from that. Now wherever double cross elements are there, where the double cross elements, this 4, this 1, this 2 and this 1, these are double cross elements. So we have to add that element. So 4 plus 1, 5, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now whichever the single cross elements are there, for that we will retain as it is. We will not do any changes in that. So all single cross elements will keep as it is. Okay, so I am just writing it same as the single cross elements, and here it is 0, here it is 11, right? And this should be 3 because this is uncrossed. This will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 2. So we have done the modification of the reduced matrix. So once you do the modification of the reduced matrix, what we have to do? Now we have to do the allocation. So again, to do the allocation, what we will do? Scan the row. Scan each row, right? So row wise scanning will do. If there is a single 0, you allocate it. But here there are 2 0, so we cannot allocate it. So leave that row. Then come to the next row. In the next row, there are 3 zeros, so we cannot allocate it. So leave that row. Then come to the next row. In this, there are 2 zeros, so we cannot allocate it. So leave that row. Then in the fourth row there is only single 0, so we'll allocate that 0 and then we'll cancel this column. Right? We have cancelled this column. Now next row. In the next row there are 2 zeros, so we cannot allocate it, so leave it. Now check column wise. When we'll go for column wise, there are 3 zeros, leave it. There are 2 zeros, leave it. This row is this column is already cancelled, we cannot do here. Then in the fourth column there is a single 0, so we'll allocate it. If we are allocating the column wise, then we have to cancel the row. So we'll cancel this row. Right? Then going for the next column. In the next column, there are 2 zeros. Then leave it. Now we did row wise scanning, we did column wise scanning. But we have to keep scanning until there is no possibility of allocation. So now again we'll go for row wise scanning. Now in the first row, there is only single 0. This 0 was there, but it got cancelled now. So there is only left out single 0. So we'll allocate it. As we are doing row wise scanning, we have to cancel the column. So we'll cancel the column. So we have cancelled the column. Now go for the next row. The next row is this. There is only single 0. This 0 and this 0, but this 0 is cancelled. So only single 0. So allocate it. If you are allocating, then row wise scanning, cancel the column. So we'll cancel this column. Then next row, there is no 0. Then next row, there is only single 0. So allocate it, cancel the column. Then check row wise over column wise. This column cancel, this column cancel, this column cancel, only this column. And there is no 0 in this column. So everything is done. Now you count the allocation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So number of allocations are 5. And order of matrix is also 5. That means what? As the number of allocations and the order of matrix is equal, right? It's equal, right? Order of matrix is also 5 because it's 5 by 5 matrix. So as the number of allocations is equal to order of matrix, the assignment problem is solved. Assignment is done. You can write assignment is done or allocations are done. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the assignment. See, it is for machines to job, right? So we'll just write down machines to job. Go to the final one and you have to mention assignments are right. So this is machine. These are the jobs, right? These are the jobs. So machine 1 is assigned to job 1 or job 1 is assigned to machine 1. Machine 2 is assigned with which job? Machine 2 is assigned with job 4. Machine 3 is assigned with job 5. Right? Machine 4 with job 3, machine 4 with job 3 and machine 5 is assigned with job 2. So this is with respect to assignments which has been done. Now the final cost, right, or final hours, whatever. So final cost, assignment cost, we should write it as assignment cost always. Then that cost will be anything with respect to anything. So final assignment cost is equal to, see, at these places we have to find out what values are there. So 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. So 1, 11, 6, 16. Anybody can write 11 plus 1 plus 6 sorry, plus 16, 11, 6, 16, then 17 and then 10. Is it correct? Same locations we have taken? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So it is 11 plus 6 plus 16 plus 17 plus 1, right? See, this location where we have done allocation, no? Here we have done allocation, here we have done allocation. So we have to find out in original problem what is the cost given. So here in original problem, at this cell, at this cell, at this cell, at this cell, and at this cell, what is the values are given. That's what we have to find out. So this is what 11, 6, 16, 17 and 10. So that all addition we have to do as a final cost. So if we go for the final cost, the last one is 10. So how much it's coming? 17 plus 17, 34, 40, 50, 60. It's coming as 60 hours or something. So this is your final two answers.